So, sa amuha kay localization strategy. So, what is localization strategy? So, yun siya ang isa ka business or it is a business where used to adapt sa ilang products or services or sa ilang materials para to be able to meet the specific needs or wants or the satisfaction of the consumer in different target market. So, kung masabot, yun siya nga strategy is it involves a deep understanding of the local customs, the local consumer preferences, and the local legal standard para to ensure that the business is na ay emotional connection between the consumer and the brand or the product. So, kumbaga, the product or the company needs to the product or the company needs to know or needs to know about the company or the product or the brand needs to know about shaping how a consumer interacts with the business. So, nakaninyo, okay? So, nasa 5 ka components ang localization strategy, ma'am. So nasa primero is language translation. So, since it is a localization strategy, so therefore, nasa language translation. So, language translation, the brand or the company converting content into the local language para to make sure nga it is not just accurate but also culturally appropriate. Second is kanang culturally adaptation. So, in order nga to adapt the culture sa in that specific local market, kanang bitaw na sila strategy nga ilang usabon ang materials or the product mismo, pero nagkadepende na siya nga dapat mualay na siya sa to align with the local tradition, local consumer behaviors, and preferences. So, ikatulo is kanang they must adhere the the local laws and regulations kay of course para to avoid the legal issues. And then ang ikaupat mo siyang pinaka-importante, that is because it plays an important role in the localization strategy. And makaingon ko nga there is not a dili siya mahimo nga localization strategy kung wala ni siyang ikaupat. So this is what we call the kanang local partnership. Without the localization strategy rather is there is without the localization strategy and without the local partnership wala yung hitabo nga localization strategy. Kaya nga niyo magiging siya between a brand or the product and a consumer between the product or the product or the brand or the company and then the local partnership sila facility they should collaborate each other para to enhance the market presence through the local partnership. Ikalima is before anything else in every different business and especially sa we as the future business leaders pagkinahanglan ni Dani kay we have to conduct the market research first para to know or to understand the local markets or that market. And then ang naka-advantage lang kay na sila brand recognition. So we all know that brand recognition it also means that it is an established brand. So therefore there is consistent branding among consumers. Ikaduha nga advantage is that the higher customer experience kay they have to provide to improve the customer satisfaction. And then the disadvantage lang kay higher cost. Syempre pero ang cost sa localization it is not the same the cost to the other business. Why? Because the localization nga cost is it involves related to the translation, the cost of the cultural adaptation and the cost of the compliance with the legal standards. Sa ikaduha nga disadvantage is makayon ko nga it is very complicated or it could be what we call the complexity. That is because kini nga ang pagdagan sa negosyo ani nga localization strategy is you have to provide the local version of the product or services to the local market. Lastly, ang naka-disadvantage lang kay nagkinahanglan ka og mga dugang mga resources. Aside sa nagkinahanglan ko og dako kayo nga puhunan, nagkinahanglan ka og mga local partnership. partnership. And then, like what I have said earlier, that there is no, dili siya mahitabo nga localization strategy nga business kung walay local partnership. Kay sa local partnership, diha mahimo ang localization strategy. Kay they should manang need nila ang collaborate sa local partnership para na sila yung presence sa market. And then, lastly, is nagkinahanglan po sila og adjustment para to stay relevant in different markets. So, for example,